Hey guys, I was just sent the Pro Shaker Duo from a friend of mine who was also an engineer at OPI. Open up the box and you'll see there's instructions on how to use the Pro Shaker Duo. You also see that he has invented a new LED light. So my first initial impressions are that the packaging is done very well. The unit is heavy, it's sturdy, it's made of metal, and this is one of 3 types of shakers that he makes. This one's the Duo, so it can do 2 bottles, and he also has a single and a hobby shaker. So I got the unit plugged in and I grabbed a couple of nail lacquers that have been sitting around for a long time and have separated quite a bit, and I insert it right into the Pro Shaker Duo. You can put the cap down first and then pull the spring that holds the bottle down and make sure that's situated. And it does come with an anti-slip mat, which I probably should have used. So this product is really universal. I've tried putting many different brands of nail polish in this, and pretty much every single one of them has fit. I really see this as a great product for a busy salon, a hobbyist. Now, taking a look at the lacquer, after 1 minute of shaking, they look very well mixed.